When you fall behind on tax payments, you inevitably will receive a notice from the IRS demanding payment, assessing substantial penalties and interest, and threatening to seize your assets. At that point, you must take immediate action to resolve your debt. Hi, I'm attorney Joshua Nesser of Lavelle Law, and we have been serving taxpayers for more than 2 decades. While there are many qualified firms that can offer assistance resolving IRS debts, we, along with the IRS, warn you to be cautious when selecting a tax relief agency. You almost certainly have seen and heard ads for these agencies, often with aggressive claims of their ability to beat the IRS. Here are a few things to be aware of when evaluating tax relief agencies. No matter who you choose to work with, do not make any substantial advance payment. Do not pay in full in advance or provide credit card or checking account information without at least having a written agreement in place detailing the services that you will receive. You should expect to pay a reasonable retainer to have someone get started on your case, and as work proceeds, partial payments, perhaps monthly, are to be expected. In some cases, you may have the option to file an offer in compromise. This is a proposal to settle your liability with the IRS for less than the full balance due. Always avoid firms that guarantee the IRS will accept an offer, especially when they have not fully reviewed your case. While offers are great options in the right circumstances, the IRS has published warnings regarding agencies that make guarantees or promises of this nature. In addition, beware of companies that advertise inflated rates of successful offer filings. It is not unreasonable for you to request to see properly redacted copies of letters from the IRS documenting accepted offers. Simply put, IRS matters are complicated. For that reason, you should exercise caution with any agency that tells you that you will qualify for an offer without conducting a thorough review of your financial circumstances. Many relief agencies will try to frighten you into purchasing their services with threats of aggressive action the IRS will take against you, such as seizing your car, home, or financial assets. While the IRS does take these and other collection actions when necessary, the IRS would much rather work with you to make reasonable and affordable payment arrangements. You should always expect and demand to speak with an attorney about your case. Many firms instead will use commissioned sales representatives to sign new clients. Because these salespeople are not bound by the same ethical obligations as attorneys, they will use the most aggressive means possible to make a sale. An IRS issue is a legal matter, and your representative should be a local attorney, not a tax relief specialist or salesperson located in another state. Finally, the fee for an agency's services should never be based solely on the size of your liability. The size of your liability is only one factor that determines the complexity of your case, and charging based on the amount owed to the IRS is nothing more than a way to overcharge unsuspecting clients. Once again, tax issues with the IRS are never to be taken lightly. You will need the expertise of an experienced and qualified tax attorney. At Lavelle Law, we will provide a free consultation to review your case in advance. If you need assistance with the tax issue, please give me a call at 847-705-7555.
To learn more about the tax law services at Lavelle Law, or to discuss concerns about using tax relief services, call Lavelle Law at 847-705-7555. That's 847-705-7555.